In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Health to your Galaxy Watch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Galaxy Watch model you have, you will be able to use Samsung Health and synchronize your data between your watch and your smartphone. So usually this synchronization process will be done automatically. This is to say that as long as you have the same Samsung account between both devices, you don't need to do any sort of manual input. Just make sure that you are using the same Samsung account between Samsung Health on your Galaxy Watch and Samsung Health on your smartphone, and you will be good to go. In fact, it is so simple that as soon as you open up the app, you should see the Galaxy Watch icon connected. If it doesn't appear here, then open the Galaxy Wearables app or follow the manual to connect the Galaxy Watch to your Samsung smartphone. There is nothing else that you have to do. If you want to be absolutely sure that they are connected, you can tap these three dots to access the settings on the Samsung Health application. Tap the three dots, go into the settings, and inside of the settings, look for the accessories tab. In here, you will find the option to connect your Galaxy Watch. But as I've said before, this is not necessary. As long as you have connected it to your smartphone, it will be detected right away and usable within the Samsung Health application. It is more reliant on the account than anything else. If you see the option to manually synchronize the data, then you can use that to synchronize the data whenever you wish. So there will be a sync now option and you can choose it. But as I've said before, this process is done automatically by Samsung. All of the data is stored within your Samsung account, so just having the same across both is extremely simple and convenient. If it doesn't work, restart the application on both devices and it should pair itself up. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Health to Galaxy Watch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.